Cruzal. Dear student, today we start the topic of exothermic and endothermic reaction. You know that is heat plays very important role in chemical reaction. There are some chemical reaction in which that heat is released there or heat evolved from the chemical reaction, and in some chemical reaction heat gained by the reactor, during which the temperature of reactor should be increases or temperature of reaction should be decreases. Means important point is that heat plays the very important role in chemical reaction. Here you know that is we warm the water or boil the water on any gas burner. Here heat gained by the water molecule and to increase the temperature of the water molecule. When this water container removed from the gas burner, then that heat lost by the water molecule and that water gets cooled down. Here in this way, that is exothermic and endothermic reactions. Here you know firstly we study what is exothermic reaction. What is exothermic reaction? Here you know exo means release. Exo means given out. For example, that is CH4 plus twice O2, that gives CO2 plus twice H2O plus heat. Here burning of natural gas. Burning of natural gas. You know, burning of natural gas produce heat. Burning of natural gas that produce the heat. This heat energy released in this chemical reaction, and this type of reaction is called exothermic reaction. या रिएक्शनला आपण एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन म्हणतो की ज्या रिएक्शन मध्ये हीट ही बाहेर पडते. Here heat is the part of product. This heat is the part of product, and such chemical reaction is called exothermic reaction. Here, what is the definition of exothermic reaction? What is definition? The chemical reaction in which heat is evolved or heat is released from the chemical reaction. This reaction is called exothermic reaction. When heat is evolved in chemical reaction, heat is evolved in chemical reaction is called exothermic reaction. Heat is evolved in chemical reaction is called exothermic reaction. Means here heat is the part of product. Heat is the part of product. म्हणजे यामध्ये heat जो आहे तो product चा भाग आहे. Here heat is the part of product. Heat released in this chemical reaction. Our respiration process is also the exothermic reaction. You know, yeah. Question is that why our respiration is exothermic reaction. Why our respiration is exothermic reaction? What is the answer of this question? And how we give the answer of this question? Because what is meant by respiration? Respiration means the energy, release of energy from assimilated food, or energy released from the digested food is called respiration. In this process, there is oxidation of glucose takes place. For example, C6H12O6, that is glucose, is gets oxidized by 6O2. Here that forms 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy. Here this energy released during this respiration. Hence we call our respiration is exothermic. या रिएक्शन मध्ये ग्लुकोजचं ऑक्सिडेशन होऊन एनर्जी बाहेर पडते, म्हणून आपण त्याला एक्झोथर्मिक रिएक्शन म्हणतो. हेच वी कॉल इट इज एक्झोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. Here answer is that energy release during oxidation of glucose, hence called exothermic. Hence called exothermic reaction. In this way, here is a topic of exothermic reaction. हा जो टॉपिक आपण पाहिलेला आहे हा एक्झोथर्मिक रिएक्शनचा टॉपिक आहे. ठीक.